mag-shred lang ako konti carrots. Timpla lang ako kape. Ito na yung pancake, guys. Inisang pan ko lang siya para isang lutuan na. Ayan, okay na, diba? Para sa lahat.
What is this?
Huh? That's mango. I'll eat that today. You ready for your pancake? Huh?
I like that one.
That's sour. I'm not sure if you like it. We can try.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Okay, that's okay.
I want a lot.
You want a lot? I know you want a lot. Yeah, I'm still going. Go, mommy. Yay, yummy pancake for the kids.
I want a lot.
You want a lot. Here you go. Oh my gosh, yours is a lot. You have to finish it, huh?
I want more.
You want more? Wait, let me just give this to Arlo. Isla's pancakes. So much. It's so good. Alright, come here, Ella. I'm gonna cut strawberries for you guys. Okay. Not cut. You want whole strawberry, not cut? Akin na din to. Diba? Breakfast na for everyone. What's wrong, Isla? I'll go sit there. I'll just cut the strawberries up. Good eating, boy. Very good eating. Yummy. Good job, man. There's more, Alo, if you want more.
No, ma'am.
Oh yeah, there's one for Ayla too. You want milk too, Ayla?
And then I,
Yeah. Ayla wants milk too. Go, ate. Good eating, ate. Well done, guys.
It's not the big one.
I got a big one. I didn't cut mine. Do you want more, Alo? More pancake? Ay, okay. Tapos na siya. Alright. It's enough. You want more? Masarap, diba? Yummy! Oh, big belly? Good waving. You waving to the guys?
I can't see guys.
You wanna see them? There you go.
Hello,
Oh, no.
guys.
Fridge is open. Do you need more milk, boy? I'll put it back in the fridge. You want more milk? You want more pancake? Got more for you if you want. More here. Good eating, Alo. Yummy in my belly.
Yum yum on my belly. Yum yum on my belly.
Oh. My gosh, you scared me. Hey, do it properly. Walk slowly, please, and carefully. Ay, nigara. Slowly and carefully. Ayla, watch out. What are you doing? Okay, now you have to pick it all up. You have to pick it all up. We need to do laundry.
Yes.
Okay, come on. Siya yung taga-baba ng basket nila eh.
9.
Alright, there's more behind you. Behind you.
10.
Alright. And these?
13.
Wow, 13 derecho.
16.
16, okay. Oh, careful.
19.
19. Sige.
20.
20. Yay!
And 13. And then do this again.
Okay.
19.
I love your hair, baby. Siya nag-request niyan. Ganyanin daw yung buhok niya. Tapos nag-dress. Tapos nag-princess shoes. So, diba? Alright, give it to mama so mama can do laundry.
Here you go.
Thank you. You have to give me the other ones, baby.
What?
Thanks, princess. All of it, please.
I can't do this, Mommy.
Yeah. Bring all of it.
Okay, here. I can open it.
Thank you.
I got it.
I know. So strong.
I got it.
You got it.
I got it, Mommy.
Thanks, babe. Thanks, princess. Thanks, baby. Well done. Is there any more? Check the basket for me, please. Haha, there's more. Give it to me. Thank you.
Here's mine.
Silly baby. Thank you. All done?
Yeah.
Have you checked?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know my story, Mommy?
Sure. Wow. All right, stop. We'll open it here. Baby, Ala, look. Do you want to open the box? Come here. Open the box. Look. Box of presents. Thank you, Ate. Ate turned off the TV. All right. Do you guys want to open the box and see what's inside the box?
Yeah.
Who is it from? It is for you and Alo. Who gave it to you? We'll find out. Actually, we'll do it here. We'll do it here, guys. So you don't go on the table. Just right. I love you. Guys, say hi to the guys. Alright, come on.
What's inside?
Happy dance. Oh, Alo, you're the best, man. Oh, Alo's the best too. Oh my gosh, this is a big box. It is from Sharp, yeah. It's from Tita Lisa. What do you say to Tita Lisa, guys?
Thank you.
Open. Okay. Please. Oh, what's inside?
Oh, it's inside.
Happy dance, Alo. Happy dance.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to open it. Excuse me, Sharp.
Stop.
Sharp, Alo. Excuse me.
You want my hair?
Watch out, Sharp.
Mommy said so.
Yeah, it's Sharp. It's for mommy only, okay?
Yes. For Daddy?
Yeah, for Daddy.
Yes,
Good job. Alo,
Mommy,
please say
I used that Mommy.
when you're a big kid, yes.
No.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alo, look, check it out. Ready? Oh, oh wait, guys, let's read the letter first. Ayla, I can see a letter here.
Wow.
I am a new subscriber of your channel and I watch all of your videos. I love the way you raise your kids. It's okay. I hope someday to be as good a mom as you, Rhaze. I'm only 20 years old and you guys are my favorite family on YouTube. Please enjoy these gifts for your adorable little ones. Also, congrats on your pregnancy. I hope all goes well leading to a successful birth. The dinosaur blanket for Alo glows in the dark. Please place it under a lamp for 30 minutes before using it in order to get the best results. Ah, Tita Lisa, thank you. Guys, what do you say to Tita Lisa? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at everything. Yuck. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. Open, please. Guys, we have to show the guys what you got. So Tita Lisa can see as well. Open. Alright, let's open this first. Pasensya na guys, alam nyo na yung mga unboxing ko. Lagi na gulo. Alright, excavator. What do you say to Tita Lisa?
I thought this was Tita.
Thank you, Mommy. The
Is this for me?
Yeah, that's for you. Just wait.
Mommy,
Oh my gosh. We have to get rid of some of your toys. Oh, you got Elsa. Show the guys. Show Tita Lisa.
I thought Elsa is Lisa.
I can't see. There you go.
Open, Mommy.
Open.
Mommy.
What?
I
Yeah,
got this. See? I got this too. Olaf.
You got Olaf too. That's right, Alo. Alo. Wow. Alright, Mama, open. Mama, open. Oh my gosh. Just wait. Oh my gosh, Tita Lisa, you didn't have to do this. This is a lot. Thank you so much. Wait, babe.
Mom, it's inside here. Mom, what I found.
So, wow, what is it?
It's for me.
Is it?
Mom, can I open this?
Just wait. I'm trying not to break the box. Hello, excavator. Oh my gosh, it's remote control excavator. Oh, perfect. All right, wait. Mommy will open. Where is Mommy's sharp? All right, ready? Just wait, mate. Mommy's trying to open. Ayla, can you get the scissors? You know what to do. You don't touch the sharp.
Okay, Mom.
Thank you. What do you say to Tita Lisa?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mommy, I don't touch the sauce.
So cute.
There.
Oh, thanks, baby. Look at you.
What is this? I want to help you fix it.
You want to help me fix it?
Mommy.
Knock, knock. Oh, look at what you're wearing. Great timing. It's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Oh, excavator.
Mom, I don't touch this one.
What do you say to Tita Lisa?
Oh, T-Rex.
Alright, so do you want to show the guys all the plushies that you got?
Yeah.
She's like, look guys, I have this. She's got Anna and this one.
And this one, Elsa.
And Elsa.
And I have Olaf.
And you got a big pepper pig.
A big Papa Pig.
And what else? What else did you get? Olaf. You got Olaf too.
I got
Oh
Olaf.
my god.
And I got Betsy.
Oh, bed. Oh, that is nice. A blanket.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. It's about how to wrap. I want to open it.
You want to open it? Can you show the other blankets first, please?
Yes. A T-Rex. This is my new Papa T-Rex. A T-Rex. You tell me I down in it.
Alo wants to show his T-Rex. Show the guys.
This
Oh
is
my
the
gosh,
big-
this is good. A big
This is-
T-Rex.
This is the big picture.
It's a blanket. Oh my gosh, it's got your name on it, baby.
E-S-S-I.
What?
E-S-S-I.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Tita Lisa.
Mommy, I'm making things around. Mommy, it's open.
Open? And then Alo got this one. Alo, oh my gosh, Alo, it's got your name on it too, mate. Alo. That's Alo's with trucks, excavators,
Mom,
tractors.
and fire trucks.
Fire truck, yeah. And Alo, look at this Alo. Oh, what's this?
A Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus. And what else? What's this one?
A Triceratops.
Triceratops. Stop.
Mommy, I want to open this one.
Ah, this is nice. This glows in the dark daw.
Mommy,
Alright, ilagay ko lang dito sa box
I
yung
want
nakakita ko na.
this one.
And Ayla got this.
I want to open it, Mommy.
Dentist.
Why are we open it?
Yeah? Oh my gosh, look at all these guys. And then we got these guys. Ayla, it says Ayla.
Mommy,
Ew, well done, baby.
Mommy, the butterfly.
And then Alo's. Aray. Alo's is this one.
I can see, Mommy.
That's beautiful as well. It's got an airplane.
Owl.
A,
A,
L,
L,
O.
O.
Alo.
Owl.
Well
Mommy,
done.
this one's for me, but how to see on my nose?
I just want to make sure that we didn't miss anything. What's this?
Mom, that's for me. Mommy.
A battery! Hala, nagpadala pa talaga ng battery.
I want
Maraming
it, Mommy.
salamat.
I want it.
That's a lot of batteries. Thank you, Tita Lisa. You didn't have to do this at all. Thank you.
Mama,
It's just batteries, baby, and you can't play with batteries because they're not for kids.
I want to see you. Mom.
What do you say to Tita Lisa first?
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Lisa.
Tita.
I appreciate it.
I decided.
Do you deserve all these gifts?
Yeah.
Yes, you are such a good gift. I know. Thank you, boy.
And
Oh, you guys.
Now.
Yes. Ready?
Wow.
Cups and everything. That's a tooth, baby. Oh, this is such a good present. Thank you for. Oh, wow. Now you can check Arlo's teeth. Here.
What's here? Mommy, someone this for me.
Yeah, here. You like it, Arlo? Do you like your toy? You happy? Oh, he's smiling. He's a happy boy. Sharp. Not for kids, just for mama. Very sharp. No?
Tita.
Tita. Oh, here, baby. Arlo's brushing his teeth.
No.
Babe, it's okay. He's playing. I think that's a tooth decay, is it? I'm not 100% sure. Good brushing, Arlo. Here. And this there. Oh my gosh, there's a massive teeth. Brush the teeth.
I want to brush the teeth first. And then get the toothpaste and brush. Now this, Mommy.
Yeah. Aw, dala-dala niya talaga yung excavator niya, guys. You love it so much. Maya, i-set up natin yan pag tulog ka na. T-Rex! Look at your T-Rex, so big! So scary!
I can't put this on.
Hmm? Oh, you did it, babe! You're putting Invisalign on the teeth.
Mom, what is this?
Hmm? Oh my gosh, this is fun. Look at the Invisalign. Ella, look. Got Invisalign.
Brush. T-Rex brush the teeth.
Brush teeth of T-Rex. Yeah, brush teeth. Good brushing.
Mommy, what is this?
I'm not sure.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna wear a mask, baby, because you're a dentist.
This is this, Mom.
The floss.
This is
teeth.
Why?
Oh, so it's clean.
I want to get it out.
Yeah.
This is a teeth.
Where's it? Here, let's see.
Well, let me get it out.
Take the Invisalign out first.
What is it?
It's to straighten your teeth.
Mama, we tie it at a bow.
Huh?
We tie it at a bow, Mama.
No, you don't tie it like a bow.
Mama.
You clean the teeth like this, like that. You floss it.
Hot.
Hot? A hat? No, it's not a hat. Silly Millie.
Hot.
A hat? Maybe for T-Rex?
A T-Rex.
Hat
Mommy,
for T-Rex.
what is this, Mama?
Huh?
What's it this?
Is that a drill? Ooh, a mirror to see the teeth. Oh, you're wearing a hat?
It's not.
Are you wearing a hat? My little dimple?
What's this?
Uh-oh.
Mommy.
Hala, super thank you naman. Ang dami-dami naman ito.
Okay, your T-Rex. Mommy, this is a toothbrush. Toothbrush. No.
Alright, pick a toy, Alo, so we can go to bed. Pick a toy. What do you want to bring to bed? T-Rex? Big T-Rex?
Where about me?
Yeah, pick a toy to bring to bed because we'll put Arlo to sleep.
Mommy, you go to Daddy's bed.
Good
What
job!
is this? I still want to paint. What's this for, Mommy?
What do you say to the guy? Say good night. See you later.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Aww.
Mommy, I want to paint still. I will sleep and I paint here. I brushing teeth really well because it's dirty.
Yeah.
See, as spots are dirty up.
Yeah.
As spots are dirty because they're this. I put a stitch on and spots are dirty now.
So you're cleaning it now.
How you do this, Mama?
Hmm?
How you brush
You're doing it right. You're doing it right.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I brush very well at nighttime, Mommy.
I know, you do, baby.
Toothpaste on. There. And put. It's come off.
Oh, that's good. That means you're cleaning it really well.
I got one out too.
Oh my gosh. Gustong-gusto ni Arlo. Si ate taga-operate. It's fun? Arlo, is it fun? Excavator, yeah. Ooh, run! Daddy, let Daddy try, ate. Oh no, go Alo. Chase Alo, Daddy. Ayla, don't break it. Just wait for it to go. Daddy's controlling it. Oh no, Alo, oh no, Alo. Oh no, it's chasing you guys.
No.
Oh no. Ang gustong-gusto ni Arlo. Thank you po. Ayla's turn. It will just keep spinning. Arlo spinning too. Spin, spin. Say good job, ate. Can Arlo have a go, ate? Arlo, your turn.
I think I can't do this.
Arlo, have a shot.
Alice. Show them how to do it.
Good sharing, guys. Go, Alo. Well done, Alo. He's just pressing the buttons.
Charlie, Alice, show them the knob to make it move. Show them the knob.
Move the knob, Alo. Alo's turn. Aww.
Ah!
Oh no!